The Samsung Galaxy A56, released in March 2025, is one of Samsung's most well-rounded mid-range smartphones, offering a premium design, a strong display, and long-term software support at a competitive price. The Galaxy A56 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 1900 nits. This makes the screen vibrant, smooth, and easy to use outdoors. With Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides, an aluminum frame, and IP68 water and dust resistance, the Galaxy A56 is powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Performance is smooth for daily tasks, social media, and moderate gaming, though it doesn't quite reach flagship-level power for heavy workloads. The triple camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Photos are sharp with good color balance in daylight, while low-light performance is decent but not best in class. Video recording supports 4K, adding versatility for content creation. Battery life is a strong point, with a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day. It supports 45-watt fast charging, which is impressive for a mid-range phone. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is still a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that excels in display quality, design, and battery life. While performance and camera versatility aren't at flagship level, it offers excellent value for users who want a reliable, premium-feeling phone without paying flagship prices.